Welcome to our beginner's roadmap to a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and tricks to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. The first step to achieving a healthy lifestyle is setting clear and realistic goals. Whether it's to lose weight, improve fitness, or eat healthier, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. A balanced diet is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. Ensure that your meals consist of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Focus on portion control and avoid processed foods as much as possible. Regular physical activity is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Find activities that you enjoy, such as jogging, cycling, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Make sure you prioritize getting the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Develop a bedtime routine and create a sleep-friendly environment. Stress can have a significant impact on your health. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or engaging in hobbies. Find what works for you to maintain a balanced state of mind. Having a strong support system can greatly enhance your journey towards a healthy lifestyle. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals or join a fitness community to stay motivated and accountable. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated and celebrate your achievements. Use fitness apps, journaling, or take measurements regularly to see how far you've come on your path to a healthier lifestyle. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to begin your journey towards a healthy lifestyle. Remember, it's all about consistency and making sustainable changes. Start implementing these tips and tricks today for a healthier tomorrow.